Hey, what's up, guys? I know I get a lot of messages regarding the backpack you guys see in my videos, so today I thought I'd go over the product for you guys. So this is the backpack I use. It's called the Crelander. I got mine from Bean's Moto Booth. I've used this backpack for a year now and never had any issues. Bean's Moto Booth was kind enough to send me another one just to give you guys a quick little video. He sent me their teal hardtop one. It looks white, but I promise you it's teal. What I really like is this bag is extremely secure. As you can tell, it has 2 sets of straps. Now, my favorite part about this bag is the storage. You have so many other little compartments to store whatever you like. So, for example, like I store GoPros, batteries, laptops, chargers, whatever, etc. I put my wallet in the front. It's super amazing. It's super secure, so you're not going to lose your stuff and it's not going to jig around and break. And you do need a power bank to use the Bluetooth features on the front of the backpack for the LED display. And the app itself is very easy to use. As you can see, you can select through and pick a bunch of different custom variations. You can also set it to loop, or you can even make your own customizations. You can enter your own text, make the text any color you want, and also change the background of that text and upload custom images to be displayed on the front of the backpack while you ride too. Overall, I give this backpack a 10 out of 10. I would recommend it personally if you're a rider and you want to be seen at night too. That is also a good plus to this backpack, the safety and the comfortability. It's an amazing backpack. It's everything I need from point A to point B, so make sure you go check them out. Bean's Moto Booth on Instagram. Make sure to go get you one. Peace!